Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make that noise so it sounds like water's dripping in water. This is what it sounds like. First time. Honestly it was, no retakes. The main thing you need to do is get your lips in the right place, so you can practice by just going. So get your lips in a nice round circle, move your jaw up and down, which pushes air in and out, which creates that noise. When you flick your cheek, all you're doing is just making the air come out much quicker, and it gets that drip sound. So practice this, and then you can start the flick. Good fun, isn't it? There we go. How to make the noise of water dripping in water with the finger and your mouth. Can do it like that. Not sure why, but I thought I'd show you how to juggle with 2 candles and a mobile phone. Not sure if I can actually do it. Ready? It's difficult to see, I've got all the light from the windows. And I think that counts as success. Here's another noise. Yeah. Rabbit down there.
Yeah, that was a good video, Mark. Well done, yeah. Now where's my treats?